在9月12日的美国国会外交事务委员会的听证会上，指出，在中国对政治犯以及被中国判死刑的犯人进行器官摘取，是在中国当局的指使下发生的。丹麦国会议员、丹麦人民党副主席皮特·斯高鲁普认为，中国当局把政治犯的身体当作交易物品，这是极其不道德，也是绝对无法接受的。对此，他致信丹麦政府、外交大臣、健康大臣，要求书面回答质询此事。
丹麦国会议员、丹麦人民党副主席皮特·斯高鲁普接受了我台记者采访。
Well, the questions is about organ harvesting in mainland China. We believe that it's very cruel towards human beings that you harvest their organs in this manner that the Chinese authorities do. And after Danish opinion, this is something that we need to focus on and tell the Chinese that that's not acceptable in 2012.
对于他的致信，皮特·斯高鲁普说
：“Not yet, but I hope that the Minister of Foreign Affairs will, and also the health minister that I raised questions to, will be very firm on saying to the Chinese authorities that we don't accept this manner, the way they do towards their population, the way they treat their population. That's not acceptable in a normal society here in 2012. So I really hope that the government will focus on that and also talk to business people in Denmark that may do trade with mainland China, that they should also, out of ethical reasons, tell the Chinese that this is very cruel.
皮特·斯高鲁普指出
Well, that's why I raise questions in the parliament, because I hope that it's going to be noticed also, of course, from the government who can do something about it. So we, from the Danish side, hopefully together with other countries like United States, France, and other countries, will say to the Chinese that we don't accept this. So I hope to make a broader focus on the issue by raising questions in the parliament.
新唐人记者李璐、学志，丹麦哥本哈根报道。